You know, life sucks sometimes. Everything just gets so unorganized, uncleanly. Just need someone to mop it up and drop off all that dirt into a bin that gets vacuum sealed like a robot. Talking about a vacuum robot. Let's go! Hello, welcome to Good Tech Sheep. I'm your host, Adron. Hey, if you like this video and if you can, please give it a like. Please subscribe and please click on that notification bell to be notified when we drop a new video. Today, we are talking about the ILIFE V8 robot vacuum and mopping combo. Yes, sir, you heard it right. Today, it is a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop. This baby has extremely powerful suction in vacuum mode and an adjustable water tank that adjusts water output for different floor types. You see what I did there? It is a thorough clean for one sole robot, just doing his best in this world. This vacuum comes with a large 750 milliliter dustbin. That's a bit over 24 ounces for us in the US. Basically, you can clean a lot without having to empty it every single time. This vacuum also comes with an enhanced suction inlet, a unique suction structure that collects pet hair and debris into the bin, making it really good for pet owners because, pets shed. The floating design allows it to self-adjust to any floor type or debris needed. The LCD display makes it extremely easy and user-friendly for anybody to read and just know exactly what's happening in the vacuum. The V8 lasts up to 110 minutes on a full battery and automatically recharges, ready to clean the next floor. This vacuum comes with a lot of features, one of my favorites being the zigzag cleaning path, basically making it so it can zigzag around no matter what, and is ideal for hardwood and, once again, that pet hair, because the pet hair is the bane of any pet owner's existence. With every ILIFE V8 vacuum, you get one ILIFE V8 vacuum, obviously, and one water tank, one dustbin, one remote control, which, side note, you'll see in the product demo is extremely useful because you can change the type of clean you want it. You can do the spot clean, the zigzag clean with the press of a button on a remote control, or you could just do a manual clean, letting it reroute if you just change your mind halfway through. It also lets you do scheduled cleanings, by the way, which is also very nice. And you also get two AAA batteries, two filters, one AC adapter about 1.5 meters long, one charging base, one cleaning brush, two side brushes, a user quick guide, a user manual, and a 12-month warranty. And how much does this powerful vacuum cost? I hear you asking. Yes, I hear you. You specifically. Dave. It costs $219.99. Yes, $219.99. And click on that link in the description below for maybe some special coupons. You never know. You didn't hear from me. You didn't hear from me. Well, that's enough me talking. Let's go ahead and do that product demo real quick, shall we?
Whoa, look, it's a robot.
Yes, sir.
Cool.
A little robot vacuum.
How do you control that?
Well, you can control it using the buttons on the vacuum itself, or you could use this remote.
Ah.
So, you probably noticed it a bit, but that vacuum is being quite precise. Well, that's because you can literally control the direction of this guy just by these buttons right here. So watch. So if you want it to go automatically, you just need to press one of these buttons. There's corners, there's max, there's circle, really whatever you need. Let's go corners mode for right now. Let it load up.
That was a pretty cool vacuum, right?
Yes, indeed.
But wait!
There's more.
Oh, what you got?
It's a mop. So to fill it up.
It's a robot vacuum mop.
Yes. And to fill it up, we just put some water in it.
Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
But wait a minute.
Yes.
How can a vacuum mop? I get that there's water in it, but...
Oh, ye of little faith.
Oh, it's a mop surface.
Ye.
Oh, look at that.
As you can see, it collects a lot of water pretty quickly.
Yeah.
All right, let's put this guy in.
All right.
Okay, so we have the back of the vacuum right here. And we just need to undo this part. And this comes right off.
That goes there.
That goes there indeed. Alright, and now we just put this little guy in here.
Oh, look at that. The mop attachment connects right in.
Yes, sirree, Bob.
Hey.
Hey. With that, we can get started mopping.
Look at that ocean.
And we're back. Yes. Told you. It's a really good vacuum and really good remote control. I was actually very impressed with how stable it was and how easy it was to just move the thing around. Well, that has been the ILIFE V8 robot vacuum and mop combo. Thank you so much to ILIFE for sponsoring this video. Please click on the link in the description below to buy a vacuum for yourself and get more information on it as well. Well, that has been this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I've been your host, Adron. Hey, if you like this video and if you can, please give it a like, please subscribe, and please click on that notification bell to be notified when we drop a new video. From Los Angeles, California, stay safe, be kind, have a good day. Bye.